In this video, I'll show you how to make a unique little lamp out of a regular battery. For this project, you'll need an AA battery. Wrap it with electrical tape so you don't damage it. And then split it into 2 sections. Then remove all the leftover material from inside. After that, drill a hole at the top and place an LED inside. You'll also need a hot glue stick. Cut a piece the same length as the battery. Heat it with a lighter and attach it to the battery. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Connect it to a USB port and you'll see that it lights up perfectly. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year.